What is cryptography and its role in blockchain? Cryptography is the practice of secure communication in the presence of third parties, also known as adversaries. It involves the use of mathematical algorithms to transform messages into unreadable code, which can only be deciphered by the intended recipient with the appropriate key. Now, let's talk about the role of cryptography and blockchain. In the context of blockchain, cryptography plays a crucial role in ensuring the security and privacy of transactions. Every transaction in a blockchain is represented as a digital signature, which is a unique code that verifies the authenticity of the transaction. These digital signatures prevent transactions from being tampered with or modified after they are added to the blockchain. Cryptography is also used to encrypt data, such as the private keys that control access to a user's cryptocurrency wallet. Private keys are used to sign transactions and prove ownership of assets in a blockchain. By encrypting these keys, blockchain technology ensures that only the owner of the assets can access them, making the entire transaction process more secure. Finally, cryptography plays a key role in the consensus mechanism of a blockchain. Consensus is the process by which all participants in a blockchain network agree on the state of the ledger. In summary, cryptography is a crucial component of blockchain technology, as it ensures the security, privacy, and transparency of transactions in a decentralized network.